In front of me is Motorola Moto G30 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Then tap on Screen Lock and pick one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Following that, create it. Choose Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then hit Confirm. Now answer this question by choosing one of the available options to adjust the lock screen notifications and hit Done. So when I turn off my screen and switch it back on, as you can see, pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!